10th class. I will start with your second chapter, the acid, base and salt. So let us discuss one by one. So what is the acid? Acid is a substance that produce H positive ion in the solution. H positive ion mean hydronium ion with the solution, and this is known as the hydronium ion. The H positive ion or H3O positive is known as the hydronium ion. And there are some example of the acid. The first one is the sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and the second one is the nitric acid, HNO3, and this is the HCl, the hydrochloric acid, and the acetic acid are some example of the acids. And next one is base. The base is a substance which give hydroxyl ion, and this is known as the OH negative, is known as the hydroxyl ion in the solution. And some example of the base is sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and calcium hydroxide, CaOH2 is known as base, are some example of the base. And next one is the salt. What is the salt? Salt is a neutral substance produced from the reaction of acid and base, and the example of the salt is NaCl, which means sodium chloride is the example of the salt. And next one discuss about the some characteristics of acid and base, and some properties of acid and base. So we know that acid is sour in taste, and base is bitter in taste. And next one is the most important is the acid turn the blue litmus to red, and the base turn the red litmus to blue. And next one is the pH value of the acid is less than 7, and the base has the pH value greater than 7. And last one is the acid do not feel slippery, and base feels slippery. And next discuss about uh, how to acid and base react with the metal. And when the acid react with the metal, what is formed? There is a formation of the salt, and plus hydrogen gas is released. And there is also some reactions. When sodium hydroxide is react with the zinc, the sodium zincate is formed with 2 molecules of hydrogen. And next there is a reaction when the metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate react with the acid. So there are some reactions when the sodium carbonate is react with the acid, and as 2 molecules of HCl, but is formed salt. This is sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. And the next one is when the sodium bicarbonate is react with the HCl, then what is formed? The salt, the sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. The next one, when the carbon dioxide is passing on the, this is the formula of lime water, and this is calcium hydroxide, and this is also known as the lime water. When react with the carbon dioxide, then calcium carbonate is formed, and plus water. And also there is a reaction when the calcium carbonate is react with the water plus carbon dioxide, then calcium bicarbonate is formed in the aqueous. So this is soluble in water. So this is the reaction. The next one is when the acid and how do acid and base react with each other. When the acid and base react with each other, what is formed? There is a formation of salt and plus water. So this is a base, and this is acid, and this is sodium hydroxide when react with the hydrogen chloride, so what is formed? So sodium chloride is formed plus water. So also there is a reaction when the metal oxide is react with the acid, so what is formed? The salt plus water. So next one is metal. Do all the metal and all base have common? Or next one is important. What happen when the acid or base is react in the water solution? So what is formed? When the acid is react with the water, then hydronium ion is formed. This is H3O positive is known as the hydronium ion, plus chlorine ion is formed. And when hydronium ion is further is react with the water, H positive ion is further react with the water, then H3O positive hydronium ion is formed. So next one is the base. When react with the water, then sodium ion is formed plus OH negative hydroxyl ion. And when potassium hydroxide is react with the water, then K positive ion, potassium ion and hydroxyl ion is formed. There are some examples. And one important points, when base which are soluble in the water are called alkalis. This is the important, when base which are soluble in the water are called alkalis. So this is your question answer, and I will make a notes for you. And there is also a pH value, and we know that the pH of neutral solution is 7, and when the pH value is acid have pH value less than 7, and base has a pH value greater than 7. And this in this figure, you can understand that there is a neutral value of pH is 7, and acidic nature increasing this side, and basic nature increasing this side, and hydronium ion is increasing in this direction, and the hydroxyl ion is decrease in this direction. So the next topic, importance of pH in everyday life, will be discussed in the next video.